Hello everyone, myself Vani Singh. Today I will be teaching you the genetics. So before going to the topic, firstly we should know what is genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the genes, genetic variations and the heredity. So what is genes? Genes are those which we are obtaining from the parents. Next, genetic variations. Genetic variations are those when there are some differences in the genes. Next, heredity. Hereditary is those, or we can say hereditary is that when there is the passing of traits from the parents to the offspring. In hereditary, the word trait is so much important. Next, we will be doing the topic genetic code. Firstly, what is genetic code? Genetic code is the set of rules by which information is encoded. Now, this genetic code, the term has given by the George Camo. This is the name of a scientist. In genetic code, the information which is encoded, it is in the form of the nitrogenous base. As we know, the nitrogenous base is in the 4 nitrogen base are there. The 4 nitrogen base are the A, G, T and C. And in case of RNA, there is A, G, C and U. So firstly, we will be doing the 4 nitrogenous base, and as we know, there are the 300 amino acids. So these 4 nitrogenous bases are coding the 20 amino acids. The idea of genetic code was supported by the scientists Hargobind Khurana and the Sabro Oka. Now we will be doing the table of the genetic code. So let's see the table of the genetic code. So as you can see the table, in total there are 16 blocks and total 64 codons will be there. As you can see the table here. So in previous table I have told you that there are total 64 codons. So now look out the some silent features of the genetic code. The first silent feature is that there are total 64 codons. Out of 64 codons, only 61 codes which code for the amino acid and 3 are left. The 3 are the nonsense codons. The nonsense codons are also called the stop codons. So, fourth point, each code is non-ambiguous. Fifth point, codes are universal. There is a code UUU. UUU means triple U. It code for the phenylalanine, whether in the prokaryotes or in the eukaryotes. Next point, commaless. Each code is the commaless. We can't see any comma in between the codes. We read the code in the triplet form. Next point, they are the non-overlapping. So I will tell you with the help of example. So look out this example in non-overlapping. There is a code U U A U C G. This code will be only read in the triplet U U U, or we can say U U A. When if there is an overlapping, so in case of overlapping, the code will be read in the UUA, UAU, AUC. So this is the wrong form. We have to read this code in the form of the triplet UUA, UCG. So this is an example of the non-overlapping. We have to read the codes only in the triplet form, triplet. AUG. The AUG has the dual function. One, it starts as the initiation. Means when the AUG code has been found in the starting, it will function as the initiation code. And when it is found somewhere in the between, it will function for the methionine. Next point, I have told you in this one that there are the three nonsense codons. So the three nonsense codons are also called as the stop codons. So here are the nonsense codons, or we can say the stop codons. First, UAA. UAA, the scientific name of the UAA is the ochre. Next, UAG. The UAG, the scientific name of the UAG, umber. Next, UGA. The technical or the scientific name of the UGA is the opal. I hope the genetic code has been clear to you. Thank you.